Welcome to today's episode on Licks and Bites. We bring you an easy, lazy Bachelors Butter Chicken. It's a one-pot dish, perfect to be served with rotis, chapatis or even parathas. No jazzy or long techniques, yet equally tasty as the butter chicken itself. Our easy, lazy Bachelors Butter Chicken is simple. No onion, no tomato, and say no butter or cream too. Yes, it's for real. Come on, let's get started with our finger-licking butter chicken substitute. For this recipe, I got here 800 grams of chicken cleaned and ready. Our recipe begins with a marinade. 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, followed by turmeric powder half a teaspoon, red chili powder 1 1/4 teaspoon, some salt for seasoning, garam masala powder 3/4 of a teaspoon. We have here a few soaked cashews, roughly 6 to 8 numbers, which we have made it to a fine paste. I have added a little water more so it's a bit runny, but that's fine. Let's add this cashew mixture too. Lime juice extracted out of half a lemon. Let's give it a mix now. Coat all the pieces evenly, giving it a massage to the chicken pieces very well. Our next ingredient is a mystery ingredient, a game changer, something quite unusual to a normal Indian cuisine. Yeah, I will be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of regular tomato sauce. If you are new here, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell button to receive notifications on our new videos. Next comes the curd, about 2 cups, which is beaten well. This is thick curd, beaten well. No water has been added to dilute or make it thin. You may substitute curd with yogurt too. And time to give it a mix. If you like our work and the recipe, consider giving it a boost pressing the like button. Lastly, you may add red food coloring, which is completely optional, but I love the color of red in this gravy. I will go with it. And there you go, one last final mix. Let this marinade rest for about 2 to 3 hours. If it's gonna rest more, it's going to blend in all the flavors into the chicken very well. Sometimes I do marinate this overnight in the refrigerator and the results are amazing. Do not forget to leave it outside for at least an hour if you have refrigerated it overnight and bring it to room temperature just before cooking. Our marinade has been resting for more than 3 hours now and is ready to go over the stove. With one last ingredient, oil 3 to 4 tablespoons. Just give it a stir and let it cook and simmer for at least 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked soft. We are on other social networks too. Follow us on Insta, Facebook and Pinterest. If you're on Twitter, do tweet us. Our easy, lazy Bachelors Butter Chicken is ready to be served. Do share it among your friends and family. The link is in the description too. It's quite simple, very tasty. Enjoy it. And do let me know in the comments if it satisfied your butter chicken cravings. Hope this butter chicken substitute is worthy of licks and bites. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos.